Good evening. Welcome to onlineias.com. I am Kalyan Chakravarti, the director of this academy. Today, I would like to announce a batch for IAS 2021, meaning this is the batch for those aspirants who are aspiring to write the examination in 2021. And if you look at this civil services examination, which is conducted by UPSC, this is divided into preliminary examination, main examination, and followed by the personality test. But if you look at the preliminary examination, again you have two papers in that, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is related to general studies, paper 2 is related to CSAT. And next comes the main examination, meaning whoever clears the preliminary examination, they will be writing the main examination. But I would like to give you the complete picture of our course today itself, so that you will take a better decision and you can join the course at the earliest. By looking at the current scenario in India or throughout the world, because of this lockdown, so many people's incomes have come down, right? So maybe the factories have been laid down, or the governments have reduced the salaries. Reasons are many and you all know that. By taking this current scenario into consideration, I have decided to separate the preliminary coaching and the mains coaching. Mains coaching will be starting in the month of November. But from June 1st onwards, I would like to start with the preliminary coaching. And in prelims, again, you have two papers. But now, I am going to announce only for the paper 1, that is the general studies paper. Just a few days back, I have announced for current affairs, and I suggest all of you to join that particular batch compulsorily, because that is going to give you complete edge. 40 to 50% of the total number of questions that are going to be asked in the examination, they are going to come from that particular area, because that covers various subjects. And apart from that, you should also know complete Indian economy, complete Indian constitution, complete geography, complete history, like the science and technology, disaster management, environment. Various subjects are covered in the preliminary examination. That is the reason why what I have decided is that, first point, we are going to start the batch from June 1st onwards. Right? I am not discussing anything about the current affairs. Current affairs batch has already been announced, and that is going to be started from May 25th onwards. But with the rest of the subjects in general studies paper, we are going to start classes from June 1st, and I am going to begin with Indian economy, and Indian economy is completely going to be taught by me. And after Indian economy, we will be taking the next topic like environment and disaster management. Later, we will be taking up the so-called science and technology and general science. After that, we will be taking up Indian constitution, polity, governance. Like this, we will be covering all the topics. But for the for the convenience of the students, in order to not to do any burden on the parents or on the students, again I have divided these subjects separately, so that you will have an opportunity to join for the each subject separately each month. If you are joining for the whole course at once, it will be huge burden on you or the family at this particular juncture. If you have money, that's a different thing. But many of the students and their families, it is definitely not possible. That is the reason why I have relaxed this completely, and we are going to offer subject wise, and each month you can join for a particular subject at a very, very reasonable price. And with respect to the quality of the videos, you already know this. Clear, you have watched me during the current affairs, you watched my economy classes, you watched my polity classes, so there is no doubt about that. And this time, for this particular batch, you are going to get many other benefits too, like whatever the time that we are going to prescribe, in the set time, the whole syllabus is going to be completed. Fine. And no topic is going to be left out. And 100% syllabus, if required, more than 100% of the syllabus is going to be covered. meaning sometimes certain topics may not be reflected in the syllabus but still appear in the examination, and we identify that. We'll be discussing even that. With respect to that, material will also be provided to you. With respect to that, this question bank will also be provided to you. Clear? So this is the whole idea with respect to the preliminary examination. With respect to mains, I am going to announce it later, but this is the time that you need to join and start for the preparation as far as the preliminary examination of 2021 is concerned. Right? This is the time. So first, please join current affairs, which is going to be started from May 25th onwards. Now I would like to show you, so what are our programs now? Kindly have a look at this. Kindly have a look at this. First, we are going to start with Indian economy on June 1st. Complete syllabus will be covered. Every day you will have classes. Every topic on par with the standards of the civils examination. And on each day, you can watch classes after 6 p.m. After 6 o'clock in the evening, you can watch the classes, and these classes will be valid till you finish your preliminary examination of 2021. And at the end of the course, downloadable PDF material is going to be given to you. At the same time, last point, please look at this very carefully. I am going to provide periodical practice test along with the explanation, but they are non-downloadable. I repeat, they are non-downloadable. Material downloadable, practice test non-downloadable. Am I clear? I am making it very, very, very clear before you join this particular course. And whatever I am promising here, everything is going to be fulfilled. Clear? Now, we'll go further. And with respect to the fee for the Indian economy, for the civil services preliminary examination, fee is just 5,900 rupees, including 18% GST, and this is up to May 25th, 2020. Starting from May 26th, the fee is going to be enhanced to 7,080 rupees. Right? And I suggest you all, please join before May 25th to avail this facility. It is just 5,900 rupees, and please remember, this is Indian economy. Most of the people will feel this is a very, very tough subject, and from my side I can assure you that I will make this subject as easy as possible to you, so that you will be understanding the complexities and intricacies of this particular subject very, very, very easily. Real? And look at the topics that are given in the syllabus. Look at this. As far as the preliminary examination is concerned, what are the topics that are given? Economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives. That's what it has been given. But kindly remember, beyond this, many things must be learnt. It is not just talking about only the topics that are given in the syllabus, but you need to learn so many things, right? So you can have a look at this. Various topics will be there. What is economy? First of all, you need to understand what is this economy, what is the economics, what is the difference between economy and economics, what is micro and macro economics. Like this, you will be coming across with the various topics, and each topic will be dealt in a very, very detailed manner. Right? MSMEs, you must be knowing what is this. Micro, small and medium enterprises, very much there in the news. And the latest Finance Commission, 15th Finance Commission and its recommendations, we already discussed. This is valid only for 1 year. That is the reason why, this 15th Finance Commission is going to submit another report by October 2020, and those recommendations will be valid for another 5 years. Fine. So what are these recommendations? What are the effects of this? Everything we are going to discuss in detail. Fine. With respect to social issues, health, education, social security, drinking water, etc. Right? And many more topics are going to be discussed. And my ultimate intention is to make you very comfortable when you are writing the real time examination in 2021. Look at this. I want you to, this, please take a pic of this. Please take a pic of this. This is our website name. This is my mobile number, WhatsApp number, mail ID you can see very clearly, and you can look at the fee and last date also. So from May 26th, okay, not May 27th, from May 26th onwards, the fee is going to be 7,080 rupees, including GST. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm. After payment is done through WhatsApp, you have to send me your name, mobile number, mail ID, state, and city. And after you join, my dear friends, after you join, all communication will be maintained through mail. Please make a point of this. Sometimes, I may be preparing, or I may be taking the class, or I may be preparing the notes, or I may be preparing question bank. During that time, if anybody gives a call, I may not be in a position to lift the call. That is the reason why this is exclusively for the students. Please listen to this point very clearly. After you join me, all communication will be maintained through mail only. If I don't lift the call, please, you should not mind. I am making it very, very clear. Fine. So now, hope you have taken the pick. Now, please open our website www.onlineias.com, and if you look at the menu bar, you can go to this place, IAS 2021. Hope you can see very clearly. This is the current affairs special batch, and I suggest all of you to join this batch first. This is most important thing. And for rest of the subjects, you please come here and click on prelims. Mains that we are going to start later. Test series I am going to announce later. But for prelims, I am announcing now. Please click on prelims. You will be taken to the next page. Fine. So these are all the topics that we are going to cover: Indian economy, environment and disaster management, science and technology, right? All the topics in the same sequence we are going to go ahead. Please click on this Indian economy. You will see the details. You can watch my seminar and you can enroll through online, or you can just this scan and pay. Fine. Most of you are using the smartphones. Now it is easy to scan and pay. If you click on this, you can see my QR code. You can see my QR code. So these are the various methods through which you can pay. You can select anyone you like. For example, if you click on scan and pay, you can see my QR code. Just scan here and you can pay. That's it. Am I clear? Fine. So now again I am coming back. So go to these prelims. So you can see the whole list of the subjects, and open this environment and disaster management. Classes will be from July 1st. Fine. And science and technology classes will be from August 1st. Fine. So constitution, polity, governance classes are going to be started from September 1st. So like this, each month we are going to start a particular subject. And please also make a note of this for your information. Indian economy is going to be handled by me completely. Similarly, environment and disaster management is also going to be handled by me completely. Science and technology is going to be handled by me completely. General science, if required, I'll take the support of somebody else. And when it comes to constitution, polity and governance, completely going to be covered by me. And with respect to geography and history, I am going to take the support of other faculty members. Geography and history will be taken care by somebody else, and depending on their availability, we have best of the faculty members, and they are going to take up these classes. Right after lockdown is over, after everything settles down, then I'll be announcing for geography and history. Right? Otherwise, Indian economy, constitution, all these are going to be taken care by me as per the dates that are given here. Fine. And I want you to utilize this wonderful opportunity. So this is the best opportunity that I can provide you. Fees you are not paying at a time. You are paying in installments rather subject wise. If anybody wants to opt out, say for example, geography may be easy for someone, so you may opt out for that. History may be easy for you, you may opt out. Constitution may be easy, you may opt out. So this is one facility that I can give you. But all the aspirants, this who are seriously going to write the examination for the year 2021, this is the best and the best platform that you can utilize. And as per promise, whatever the syllabus that is going to be covered, that will be covered during the month itself. At the end of the month, as I told you, I am going to give you the this PDF material will be given. Question bank, non-downloadable question bank will also be provided to you. Clear? I am making it very clear. Material you can download, but not the question bank. But any number of times you can attempt the question bank by visiting our site. Clear? So please discuss with your parents. Please discuss with other elders who are present over there. Please discuss with any officers, IAS, IPS or any other group 1 officer. You please discuss with them. Discuss regarding this scheme. Then, you take a decision and join as early as possible, because we have certain deadlines, and if you cross the deadline, again the fee will be enhanced. Clear? And after this, I am going to announce even for the main examination for 2021. Right? You have total, you have general essay paper, general studies 1, 2, 3, 4 papers. Clear? And apart from that, you also have the 2 papers for optionals. And I will not be speaking anything regarding optional, but with respect to general studies paper 1, 2, 3, 4 plus general essay, that I am going to discuss with you very soon. And that particular part is going to be started from November 1st onwards. Clear? And I am going to give you the huge and complete plan of mine. And I can assure you that you will be comfortable. The moment you complete a paper, you will be very comfortable with respect to the writing the answers. Clear? Even the prelims also, the moment you complete a subject, you will have the confidence to attempt any sort of question from that subject. Similarly, after the completion of each paper in the main examination, you will have enormous confidence of writing the answers for those questions in that particular paper. That assurance I can give it to you. So take a quick decision, speak to elders, speak to parents, but take one logical and this good decision, so that you will not be repented of missing any of classes from onlineias.com. Thank you so much, and I wish you all very good luck. And once again, we promise that the quality is maintained and the quality is enhanced further and further. So this is my guarantee to you. Thank you so much. Take very good care.